Fish on, guys. Fish on. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Good morning. Have an hour to kill. Let's say we're gonna get out of here. Hit one of my favorite spots up. Hopefully I don't get wet doing it. Then I'd have to go all the way home and change off. But we sneaking a little fishing this morning. I know my boots are gonna get wet and they'll do on the grass and stuff, but it is what it is. But our clothes is what we don't want to get wet, guys. So all said and done, welcome back to the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the odds. That's what's up, guys. But we're gonna get up under here. Hopefully it's low tide. I don't have to worry about it. But let me get this camera up on the head, guys. Oh no. Oh yeah, it's high tide. It's all right. I won't get much of a cast right here. Just gotta be careful. I can walk over here and go that way, but oh damn it, somebody's in the backyard. Don't want to do that. Disturb people. But let's get the camera up on the head and see what we can pick up this morning, guys. Damn, mosquitoes back here. That's not good. That fence is all torn down again still. I wonder if I can get a cast over it and get away with it. Let's try from this side, because I walked over here the other day. That fence all torn down. Mosquitoes are back here are serious though. And my log that I normally stand on moved. Oh shoot, let me get up here. See if I can get a cast out this way without it breaking. Oh, perfect. So, let's see what's up this morning. And that's what I was scared of. Oh man. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh no. Now I gotta get a long stick to get this off. This is not good, guys. Totally hooked up there, guys. Not good at all. I didn't even get a cast out. I didn't realize I was that close to that branch. I was actually under a branch. Now that wire lead is gone. Pretty much done. Now I gotta find me a piece of stick. Alright guys, because this, I'm not gonna break my rod tip trying this. I'd rather cut the line and lose the lure than break my rod tip. It's a lot cheaper. But if I wrap a stick around this line, hold on, we'll get it down because the line is now tripled. I might get the lure back. So look, we'll do it like this without chafing our line. And the only dangerous thing is that this lure is going to fly back. A little further up, guys. Get up there, see if we can get a good grip on this. Alright, there you go. Alright, we got that down. Lesson learned. Don't let it happen again. That's what's up. Now I can just take my time and free my lure up. And whatever I got caught in here. Okay, I see what happens. It got caught in the guide eye. The guide ring, I should call it. Definitely not a good morning this morning. Not a good start, of course. So, stupid plant, huh? Like, you just get in the damn way. Like, really? Freaking plants is just not in my line up, guys. When I'm trying to free it up. And, crazy. Crazy situation right now. Now I'm getting a wind knot. Not good. So, I guess pulling that line, I'm going to end up losing some line today again. Because I am not in the mood for this, and the time is not on my best, at my side right now. You guys just, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, don't want to do that. Mr. Barra lost interest. I should have, let me get back here, not lose balance. I see him, he's right there. He just not paying me no mind right now, guys. Right there. Not hearing it. Let's get around here and cast the way we said we was gonna cast a while ago, right? Climb on this piece of fence. See if I can get a cast that way. It's already broken down, not like I'm damaging it. But the one that came up on it a while ago right here was pretty big too. A good 1.5, 2 pounds. Alright, we're gonna move from here, guys. Go for a walk. Still got another half an hour left. Gonna use it wisely. Alright, let's go around. Keep the cameras rolling. Keep the video rolling. Mosquitoes are touching me back here, but it's alright. I'm not worried about them mosquitoes. I'm gonna get a cast out right here, guys. Not a really good spot for me to cast, but we're gonna try our luck. Without getting hitched up, make sure our clearance up there is good. I'm gonna get down a little bit lower. Let's get down the edge. Get a little side cast, and won't be an overhead cast, but give another one. Hey guys, so Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah guys, just don't forget to please hit that like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys. Sure guys, so you don't miss a beat. That's what's up. Yeah, these are them short casts that I do sometimes. We'll move to a, definitely can get a better cast here. Well, work my schedule, I gotta wrap my schedule around this. 2 weeks to wrap my head around this. Oh damn, what to do? Mildew, morning mildew, guys. Not nice, but it's alright. We're ruffians. We don't care. Alright. See, in and out the bushes, guys, trying to get a good casting spot. And try not to get hitched up either, so you gotta watch your overhead sometimes, guys. And get that good cast out there. Yeah. Woo! I got hit after by a barra. He hit, but he missed. A little small guy, but it's alright. Get it back out there again. Oh, you hit it again and missed. Man, what the hell's wrong with you, Barry? You got a damn glasses problem? The hell you got your barra training from? Hit it again and miss. The third time. Yo, this barra need glasses. This barra need glasses. Oh, he just haven't been to barra school yet. Yeah, I think that's it. He ain't been to barra school yet, guys. He didn't get the memo. That's what's up. Your cousin down here might have gotten the memo though. Let's see what's up. Nothing. There's some small ones here, guys. Nothing big. Probably will just give you a little bit of fun. Alright, he hit it 3 times. He ain't gonna hit it again. Go around. We're gonna move around, guys. We're on the morning hunt. Still got another 25 minutes. 35 minutes in. 1 hour challenge. That's what's up. You're fishing with Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Thank you for joining. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And just remember, hit that post notification bell. Then you get notified. There, guys. Ooh. Funk phenomenon. That is it. Let's catch one more. Where are you? Yeah, fishy, where you guys at? Told me we're not gonna bite this morning. You gotta bite for the video. Didn't intend to make a video this morning though, guys. But just came out. Got a few nice chase this morning. No solid hit, 3 small hits. But they're not solid, they're small hits. Alright, we ain't got nobody's attention yet. The right way yet. We can go around to the bushes. In the bush. In the bush. In the bushes. That's what's up, guys. Doing some lure fishing here, guys. Yeah, free throw. $7.41. Do you feel like doing that? No. Long jaws are in there eating and feeding on bait fish. The barrows must be filled up the line. They're not down this side. And that's what I'm thinking. Not getting any response from anything. And this is a hot spot that I know for a fact that at least a juvie barra you will pick up. But like I said, guys, yeah guys, that's it. We're gonna go in. Time's catching up on me, guys. So, Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. This camera off. My head, so you guys can see. I'm talking to you guys. You. So now I gotta navigate my way out of here, guys. Sneak preview here or something right here. I never did this back here before. Let's see if we catch ourselves something back here, guys. See if we can pick up something in the shallows here. Lots of debris, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. What is? So on baraya. Shore fishing. That is it, shore fishing. That's a barra? Yeah, that's a little barra. Yep, that's it, guys. Take him up, man. Let's grab him behind. You have to kill it. Hold this a minute, hold this a minute. Hold on, no, me kill it. Hold on.
Alright. Don't catch it, I will kill it for you and that.
See if I can find one more for you. Yeah, guys. So that is it. Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up. That is it, guys. On the job. Well, on the job, guys. Let me step down here real quick. I gotta wash my hands off. I got raw hands real quick. Get my hands cleaned off down here, guys. Like I say, quick, no Joe. Two of them licky line and Lego, you know? Yeah, one of them Lego. So them ambush, man. So I feed them style that. Bigger one there too. Now see if I can pick up one. I go up on the dock. Yeah, guys, just here next to the infinity pool. Mr. Empress happy. Whoa, you get a free barra today. Ray. I'll pick up one more over here, so I'll go. Yeah. So that's it. I'll walk out there and see if I can pick up something else. I know there's a barra around here someplace, guys. They're right here. Right there, running right along there. Ooh, nice snapper too. One nice snapper. Yeah, guys. Jackfish. Big jackfish. Big jackfish, guys. Wee! Nice one, look wild.
Eating a boy. Woo! That's it. Nice barracuda, look while I'm gonna fucking go and grab it. Not grabbing it, guys. He grabbed it once, let it go. Shit. Nothing. Sun hot, man. No, you know, say one another barra grab you look while, one nice size 2 pound one. And grab you on Lego, or 3 times in grab you on Lego look while. Yeah. Jamaican shore fishing, so big up yourself, guys. So I was actually just here messing around, and we're doing some work. The painter is over here doing some work, refurbishing some chairs and some furniture. I'm overlooking a site that I'm managing, and I just got 5 seconds to throw my line out, and that's it. It was a wrap. Cottage barracuda. She got a barracuda. I got another hook up a while ago, but he didn't commit to it. So the sun's just getting really hot. The dogs are barking, and I'm still occupied doing things. So I didn't really want to take up all that time just messing around like that. But stay tuned, guys. Happy catch. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here.